Hi, I'm Craig. I'm here today to talk through the features and the benefits of the new Peanut Mini Jig from Intelligent Fixings. Introducing the new Peanut Mini Jig from Intelligent Fixings. The new compact design means you can use the jig wherever you are. It's even supplied in a handy bag for easy transportation. Uses the Peanut 2 connecting system, designed to make strong, invisible joints. Quick and easy to set up and get going. Self-clamping, invisible connection for 90-degree and 45-degree joints. Joints can be taken apart and reassembled many times without loss of strength. Available as a kit with everything you need to get started.